Morning, YouTube. What up? It's your boy Zeke. Back with another one. Alright. Today we got a pretty gravy job. We in the garage. So let me show you how it look. Oh yeah, we on a pedestal. We're going back up here. Sure, we're changing out this flue pipe. Yeah, and we're swapping out this return. As you can see, it's kind of beat up. We're changing this return out. We are putting this all to double wall, and I think that was it. Yep, that was it. All right, get back in a second. Filter. Whoa. Crumbled, just crumbled apart. This shit is disgusting. I'm gonna have to show her this. She has to change this. This is what they're breathing. You see what it looked like? So terrible. That's crazy. All right. So of course, you know how they do. They like to screw the bottom of the filter to the unit. Crazy, but yeah. I'll get it off one way or the other. Take a peek at that. Yo, let's return. I'm gonna recommend, hey fella, I'm gonna recommend the duct cleaner. Oh, nice. Good thing we're swapping the system out. Need to be right. We got the coil down. Get this furnace down. Get this taken. Get the screws taken off of this guy. Yeah, let's go. Let's get it off this thing. Yeah, I'm just being a little lazy. Don't feel like getting my cutting shears, so I'm just gonna use these hand snips, turbo shears, whatever. I'm just gonna use the hand snips. All right, got a filter put on, this tape screwed down. Drain pan, about to get this in the drain pan, or get it on top of here, then get it in the drain pan. Let's go. Barely fit back here. Clearly it's not going back on that pedestal. So we're gonna have to do a nice transition. Let's see. I'm going to put our plenum back down here. That'll go, that'll reach. Put our supply. Yeah, nice little transition. Our coil's not that tall. All right, let's get to it. Yeah, but first I'm going to bring that high voltage on the right side, get it back through that insulation, so I have access to it. All right, high voltage is through. Let's get this coil on. All right, we got the back part of this transition done. Let's get the two sides and then we get the front, and then we get you. All right, we got two of them done. We got about to do this left side, then the front. Tape, mastic, insulate, move on to the next thing. All right, we got three sides of it done. Left, right, and the back. About to get some mastic and some insulation. Tape it up on the well, mastic on the inside. It's already taped on the outside. Mastic it, and then put insulation around it, and then move. Get it going. Keep going. All right. All right. As you can see, this joint buttered up against the stairs. Got to get our U-turn. About to knock that out. You're gonna need 2 elbows. Let's show you what this shit we got. You're gonna need.
That was almost too easy.
290s, little 2-inch piece, 1-inch piece. Obviously our T cap. I think an 18-inch will work a little better, so I'm gonna use that. But let's get this done. All right, U-turn is done. 2 elbows, short piece, 2-inch. Boom. U-turn is done. Drip leg is down there. Gas is on. High voltage. Got low voltage. Got flue pipe, low voltage. I'm getting there. All right, so we're wiring up a straight AC system, single stage with 2 safeties. Might have to add a third one, but see how to wire this up. All right, so first thing we're gonna do is wire up this thermostat. Fortunately, there's only 4 wires, so I'm gonna show you how to do this. 4 wires, you need 5. Get rid of something. Alright, so white to W. Using blue for common. Red to R. And green will be cooling. I have to go back double on this shit, but this is back common. I'll go and talk over it. This is too cool. All right, appreciate you. That. All right, low voltage is done. It's buttoned up, nice and neat. All right, about to close it up. All right, this is how we're looking. We're about to start it up. Built me a little makeshift pan. Last thing I need to do is get this, finish putting this return on. Ran the flue pipe for the water heater. All of this good stuff. Let me get this return on and then, yeah. All right, y'all, wrapping it up. We're done. Getting up out of here. Let me show you how it turned out. All right, this is how it turned out. Not bad.
That looks like a monster, doesn't it?
Yeah, it is. It's gonna give you some good airflow.
Oh, yeah.
All right.